Some new
We're back
batteries.
on another day.
New batteries.
New battery turbo.
Oh, that's more like it.
Round and round and round. Not really. But just
Whoa! Whoa!
I was supposed to go round and then
Okay.
go back.
Well, you didn't
this
hit anything.
way.
They're like the big chunky tyres. You could fit a camera on here, can you?
Yeah.
Whoop.
Luckily I've got my hands. Bye! Hope you enjoyed my Turbo King racer. I can move to the wow!
Some new
We're back
batteries.
on another day.
New batteries.
New batteries.
Okay.
New Turbo King. Well, not really. Just saying that.
Okay, let's see how fast it goes.
Let's see if we
You
can
ready?
go like turbo.
Oh, that's more like it.
Can't even hear it.
Oop. Well, that's impressive.
Yeah,
So how good are your driving skills?
really good. Not
Come on.
really.
Okay, let's see what you can do. Can you go round an obstacle course?
Round and round and round it.
Oh yeah.
Or actually, starting off
Go on in.
go like this.
Go on in.
Come back. No, Dad, not bad. Not really.
For the reversing.
Not really good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I thought that was good.
Not really. That. Let's go this way. I know what to do,
Go on.
but just careful.
Go! Whoa! Well, that was pretty good.
I thought I was gonna do it, but it was gonna go. I was supposed to go round and then
Okay.
go back.
Well, you didn't
this
hit anything.
way.
You didn't hit anything.
Try again.
No, I thought that was really.
Going on the grass.
I thought that was really good driving.
Yeah.
Can I have a look at it? Let's have a look at it. They're like the big chunky tyres. Look at those.
Like we just said the other time, it's really hard to get this nowadays.
Yeah.
This is really hard flying
Yeah.
at home. I don't know why it keeps coming out.
Oh, don't worry too much about it. That's the error.
Yeah,
isn't
it
it?
just keeps coming out. Well, this is brand new.
You could fit a camera on here, can you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe last time I'll try that.
Put a GoPro.
Yeah. We'll get
Okay.
one.
One more round, yeah.
Okay.
Whoop. Keep going. Up into the fence.
Luckily, I've got my hands. Bye! Hope you enjoyed my Turbo King racer. Bye!